Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. The holiday season here again and it's the perfect time to fill your home with love, light and creativity. In today's video we are going to explore amazing Christmas craft decorating ideas that you can make easily at home. Budget friendly, beautiful and full of Christmas spirit. So grab your glue gun, ribbons, pine cones and warm cup of cocoa. Let's get started. Take a glass jar, fill it with pine cones, fairy lights, and few small ornaments. You can even wrap the jar with burlap or jute group for a rustic farmhouse feel. Add a few cinnamon sticks and artificial berries for festive scent, and the color pop. These centerpiece create a cozy glow for your dinner table and are perfect for Christmas gathering. Next, let's move to wall decoration. You can use old frames, twines, and jute to create a natural Christmas wall hanging. Shape them into stars, Christmas tree, or snowflakes. Add ribbon bells and small ornaments to give it a magical sparkle. The style is not only saves money but also brings a warm handmade charms to your home decor. Pinecones are one of the most versatile natural material for Christmas craft. You can paint them oil for the snowy look or spray them with gold or silver for elegance. Attach a ribbon and hang them on your Christmas tree or decor wreath. You can even create a pinecone garland to decorate your fireplace or stairs. Simple yet stunning. Now let's talk about jute and burlap craft. Take small piece of burlap and turn them into mini Christmas stocking or gift pouches. Decorate them with lace, buttons or teeny wooden stars. You can also wrap jute around mason jar or candles for a rustic country style. These eco-friendly crafts are trendy, sustainable and totally Instagram worthy. If you have small space, try making a mini Christmas tree using cardboard, paper or sticks. Wrap it with green yarn or tinsel and decorate with beads, glitter and teeny stars. You can place it on your study table, shelf or near your bed. Perfect for cozy corner and kids room. Christmas is incomplete without gifts. Use brown paper or old newspaper to gift wrapping. Tie them with red ribbons, jute strings or dried orange slice for natural festive look. You can also create handmade gifts tags using card paper, stamps or small stickers. Personal create a heart touching. So that's all of your Christmas craft decorating ideas. These DIY projects are fun creating and make your home sparkle with festive joy. We hope you like the video. If you like this video, so please must subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for more amazing and updates. Please must share with your friends and family and share your valuable comments. If you are new, so please subscribe my channel and visit my channel. There is lots of amazing and beautiful projects, step-by-step tutorials, homemade crafting, Christmas decoration ideas, lots of amazing and beautiful tutorial and ideas which can help you how to make your upcoming Christmas event, your parties. So must visit my channel, and if you like, so share with your friends and family. Share your valuable and beautiful comments. Your comments is very valuable for us and they spirit for us. We will work on it and share further my updates and videos according to your comments and your suggestions. I already stated I love your support, so please keep watching and keep supporting my channel. Beyond the gifts and glitter, Christmas is nearly about togetherness and handmade joy, and what better way to celebrate it than by creating your own DIY Christmas decoration? Then tell a story of warmth and creativity. Candles were added to represent light and darkness, and later came colorful ornaments and stars symbolize the star of Bethlehem, the guided, the wise man. Today, every handmade decoration you create continue the beautiful story, brings your light, love, and creativity.